Somebody mention birds? Thaibirdspot. Yeah, so here we are, Pathumthani Rice Research Centre. And unlike Doi Lang last week, it's damn hot. Right, let's have a look. Let's go and find some birds. So again, as I showed you before, this is the hide and camera inside. So this is the area we'll be staking out for the Bluethroat, and as you can see, somebody's already put a little makeshift perch here, which is helpful. So the first bird to come down for a little feed was this male Amur Stonechats. If you'd like to see my little video on this Stonechats, just click on the pop-up banner above or see the link in the description below. It wasn't long before the Bluethroat came out. At first he was a little wary, but then I think his hunger got the better of him. The Bluethroat is a non-breeding winter visitor here, and when it arrives around this time of year, it certainly causes a stir and becomes a star attraction. I was lucky enough to have this site to myself for most of the morning, but sometimes there can be up to 4, 5, 6 other birders, all with their hides busily snapping away at this great little bird. And to be honest, it's not difficult to see why. Then out popped this eastern yellow wagtail. There are 4 subspecies of the eastern yellow wagtail in Thailand, and I believe this one to be the Macronix or the Manchurian yellow wagtail, as it totally lacks the white supercilium. Check the link below for my video on the eastern yellow wagtail. It was also great to see this little Pallas' Grasshopper warbler, which popped out for a little dust bath. Unfortunately, it was just a quick dust bath and he was gone, and we didn't see him again. As you can see here, Bluethroats have this odd behaviour of flicking or bobbing their tail. This upwardly jerking motion of bobbing their tail and sometimes holding their tail up is a little confusing. Makes me wonder. It seems tail movements in general don't really appear to be well studied. It could be something to do with communication with other birds, or maybe something to do with their balance, but I'm really not sure about this one, so if anyone has any ideas or knows the reason for the tail jerking, please leave me a comment below, as I'd really like to find out some possible reasons. Bluethroats are usually quite secretive birds, as they like to skulk and feed in thick vegetation. But this one really didn't seem to be bothered about me. I think he was just more interested in the worms. Well, as usual, that's it for another little video. I hope you enjoyed, and as always, please like, subscribe and hit that bell button for more videos coming soon. That's it for now. See you on the next one. Bye for now.